It's earnings season, the equity market. What do we do with the Netflix numbers? They're unsure. Next week is big tech week, so there'll be volatility in the equity market. So what do we do here? Well, we're going to go where the easy money is made, which is in the precious metals. The next precious metal broke out to the upside. Just as I told you, you need to get in now. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days, weeks, and month. Look, the situation right now in the equity markets is a perfect example why we are investing in the commodity market, because that's where the easy money is made. The equity investors right now, and I love to invest in equities, they're looking at, worried about the earnings season. They don't really know how to judge the numbers. Markets are priced to perfection, blah, 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 all this stuff. Why put up with this when we can make easy money in the commodity markets? And that's what we're all about here at Hot Trades of the Day. And if you like this content, you'll see, and I think you'll like it because it'll probably make you some money, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we're going to start with silver. Silver on a rebound, that looks good. Let's compare this to gold, and we see silver is up more than gold. I've told you this for weeks now. I expect silver to outperform gold. Now, I gotta say, I like what I see in gold, right? First off, we tested this uptrend that I drew in last week, or this week, to a T, to perfection, bounced off it, great. That's obvious. Why? We'll talk about it in a second, because the dollar is consolidating after the breakout. But we have not made a new high now in the month of July on the close. Okay, this is what we need to see this week. We need a strong green candle in gold. But overall, I do like this consolidation over time that we're seeing, and that we're not seeing any downward pressure. That's really good. So let's look at the dollar real quick. The dollar broke the first downtrend. It's now consolidating. If I add, you'll see right now where it is consolidating. There it is. As you can see, it's consolidating right at the 50-day. So this is the big one. We break the 50-day, we are going to go on a tear in the dollar. Why do I know this? Well, look how it has respected the 50 here, 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 since it broke it in February and the trend reversed. Right? This is the important thing to understand. We look at the up move, broke the 50, never even retested it, respected it, tested it here, confirmed it, and then we had the chop here, then we broke down. So the 50-day in the Dixie, really important. We break above it and confirm above it. Whew. Short's going to get squeezed like lemons. They're going to get the flamethrower right to the face. And if that happens, I'm not so sure that gold will be able to hold up. Now, we'll see. Again, the overall consolidation over time is very encouraging in gold, and it strengthens the case to be invested in gold. But right now, there are better trades in the commodity sector, easier trades, and we're going to the new hottest trade in the commodity sector, and that is palladium. Palladium, ladies and gentlemen, broke out yesterday, and it's confirming it today with a big move. I've been telling you this for, I think, 2 weeks now. Palladium is the next one to rip. It's starting to rip right now. We said we have two scenarios, either a pullback, then we get in, or if it breaks the purple resistance zone, we get in. We're getting in now. That's what I recommend doing. That's what I personally plan to do. You look at this, on the daily, and you can see, here we go. This is a big one, right? This is a big one. Most people, Palladium, small market, mostly used for the automobile industry, which, you know, people only care about EV anymore. Palladium completely out. Nobody's invested. This could be a face ripper. And we want to be in this one, right? What have we seen from silver? It's going up. It's fine, but it's not doing much yet. Gold, consolidation over time, going sideways. Platinum, let's look at platinum. Looks fine, right? Looks good. But palladium is the most explosive one. It has the biggest catch-up potential because it has underperformed for so long, right? All the other three big precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, have already moved up significantly. Palladium is now starting to catch up. And we know from platinum what these breakout trades can be. Look at this. We are basically at palladium. We're right here. And you see the move that happened after that in platinum. Now, will palladium do the same? Nobody can say that for sure. But palladium and platinum are in the precious metals group together. Chances are not bad for us that the same thing will happen. This is where the easy money is being made. Why waste our precious lifetime on trying to digest if next week the big tech will beat the earnings, and if they beat the earnings, is it good enough for the markets, and how will the markets react, how will they be positioned, it's after hours, how do I hedge my... Why do all that when I can just buy palladium in the breakout and see it rip to the upside? So, short and sweet, that's it for today. Miners have been consolidating as well. Gold and silver miners it is. Sorry, there are not that many palladium companies out there. That's why I would play this through the physical metal. That's good that the miners are consolidating. We need to see now. I'm really interested to see what's going to happen in the next days. If silver keeps going up, if the miners still consolidate or not. But it looks like we're going to get our chance to get cheaper prices in the silver miners. I will introduce to you next week one of the silver miners that I am interested in buying, that I'm not invested in myself at the moment, but I want to buy it. And that is what we're going to do all over the summer. We're going to keep looking at the easy trades in the commodity super cycle, which is just getting started, okay? When you look at this and you look at April, you see like, oh my God, this thing ripped so hard. I can't get in now. This is completely overbought. First off, yeah, we're overbought, but not terribly. And second, again, when in doubt, zoom out. Look how far we have to go just to reach 2021 highs. It's more than a double. All right, forget this spike. That was the crazy, what was it? I think like an Indian hedge fund that got completely caught off guard in platinum and palladium and got blown up. So this one doesn't count. But this top right here, more than a double. And this is 2021, right? Compare this to gold. This is where gold was in 2021, right here, sorry. Right? Down here. Silver, 2021. Here, we're all higher. Platinum, higher. Even platinum, higher. The only one that's lower, more than 50%. And to be fair, on the fundamentals, rightfully so, right? Because of its industrial use in the automobile sector. But this one has the biggest catch-up potential. That's it for today. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your time. Do something that brings you joy. Man, life is short. Let's live it up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.